Okay, you ready? Here we go. Any moment. I think. Maybe not. I'm waiting. All right, here we go. Woohoo! You have to sit inside, Noah. Excited? How are you doing? You like it so far? I mean, look at all those people. Look at all the people. Look, wave. You have to wave. Wave hi. Hi. All right. Oh, look, there's a sheep. There's a sheep.
Today the animals are open.
Yeah, or maybe we'll go after. We'll see.
Oh, they're sleeping in the corner. Very good. Elephants.
No, those aren't elephants. Those are sheep. Whee! There's the stream. No, look at Lisa. Hi. You having fun? Let's see what else. Ah, there's an old house or cabin.
That's like my Alexa's toy.
What?
That's like my Alexa's toy.
Okay. Say so. Oh, llamas! Look at the llamas! Look, right there! We're going to see them in a second. Ah, there they are! Look at the llamas! They're actually not llamas, but that's okay. I forgot the name of them.
I see the llama.
Yeah, they're not llamas. They're from South America. But that's okay. I forgot the name. We'll look them up later. What? I don't know. I sit in inside, please. Oh, here we go in the tunnel. Whoa, here we go. Oh my God! All right, you ready for the tunnel? Woo! Is it scary? Is it scary? And we are out of the tunnel. Yeah, there's another choo-choo train in the garage. So Noah, what did you think of the tunnel? And now we're going over a bridge. All right, here comes the bridge. Can you sit inside, please? Make sure. Thank you. All right, here we go. Oh, there's a covered bridge. There's a horsey. There's the horsey. Oh, hey, look at the peacock. Noah, look at the peacock. Say hello. Wave to the peacock. Was that a pretty peacock?
Yeah.
What colors were on the peacock?
Meow.
Yeah, that's real. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, there's a duck right there, or a goose. I can't see actually. A wagon, old wagon. All right, I think we're almost done here. exciting. Oh, there are the buffalo. Say buffalo. Or as they say in a dialect of Native American, Tatanka. Say Tatanka. 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 Only mommy would know this because she's a nerd. Say Tatanka. Say, well, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Say Tatanka. Alright, I think we're done. Beautiful buffalo. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera. And oh, there's a little fake water tower. Right over here. Look, there's a water tower right here to the right. I'll show you the water tower. Ready? This is a water tower. Well, a pretend one. It's real, I don't know. And we are done with our train ride. You want to go again? Should we go back on the choo-choo train? What do you think? Yeah? What do you think? Are you bored? Are you bored or you want to go again? Alright, wave bye-bye. We have arrived at the station. Alright, so wave bye-bye to the camera. Hello, kiss. Okay, bye-bye.